Package dimensions: 20.574 hx 8.382 lx 10.668 w centimeters. Package weight: 0.522 kilograms. Country of origin: United States. Fit type: universal fit. Top reviews from the United States. Fiamm horns. The set are very nice. Just a little bit of relocation work, but nothing big. I am very pleased with them. They ship fast and reasonable prices. What I have like it the most, is that didn't have to do any electrical work. I have ordered for my Ford Escape and is comparable with original equipment. Thanks guys, appreciate it. Awesome horn. Removed original horn to find the replacement was identical, making the swap super easy and fast.